Well, happy summer Saturday afternoon to you. How about this shot from up around Heron Lake at the state park? Antoinette Baca Machado sending this in. Of course, the picture came in to pixiekrqe.com, but I'm asked to pass along the fact that this is part of a big event that's going on up there at the state park right now. It's called Osprey Fest. While they're actually welcoming the birds back to the area, it's been going on for the past couple of days, continues tomorrow. Tomorrow they've got an Osprey Olympics. It's actually a family fun event as well as a photo safari. So maybe you can get a picture like this. That's all going to be going on up in the Chama area around Heron Lake State Park. So check it out if you get a chance. Now, you may have to dodge a couple of showers. That is if you're headed up that way. Everybody else underneath the influence of this high pressure ridge, and boy, has that ever opened the door to a really hot day for us out there. Now, there's still a little bit of a moist flow off on the west side of the state, and that's kind of curling around into parts of the northern mountains, the Jemez, into the southern San Juans, as well as parts of the Sangre de Cristo. And it's in this area that we're actually seeing a couple of showers and thunderstorms. You can see them on the radar as of this evening. They're not particularly heavy or strong, although we've got a couple of embedded downpours here. One particular heavy showers just off to the east of Taos. This is going to be up near the Taos Ski Valley right now, and also back to the west of Raton here. But you notice all this activity is moving north. Meanwhile, back around Gallup, not necessarily Grants, not quite making it that far east, but some of the west central mountains here also providing a focal point for the development of a couple of showers and storms. But if you're not under one of those storms to kind of help cool things off, you are dealing with a very hot day. Clayton slipping out of the triple digits back to 98. It's 102 Tucumcari, upper 90s in the southeast, and of course mid-90s showing back in the metro area. And we're going to do it all again tomorrow. Look at my timeline on temperatures for your day tomorrow. Starting off warm to mild, I guess, 68 degrees to start the day, in the upper 80s by midday and upper 90s by late in the afternoon. Now, we didn't make upper 90s yet, but I'm still waiting on the official numbers. 95 has been what we've seen at the Sunport. That's our current reading out there, but no doubt about it, it's very hot. And you can see I showed you some of those showers and storms kind of forming northern mountains, west central mountains of New Mexico here. Really, most of your activities further west here to parts of Arizona, scooting on up into much of Utah. It looks like the monsoon's been pushed west, and it has, because high pressure has taken over, and that high pressure means more sunshine for Sunday and actually much of the week to come, and of course more heat as well. You can see some very warm temperatures. Now, there will still be the afternoon shower. They'll be spotty in nature back in the western mountains and the northern mountains, but most areas, though, are going to just sizzle and deal with some dry air in the form of no rain. There will be a little moisture added to the air for the eastern plains, and that, of course, means it's going to feel even hotter than what the temperature on the thermometer is advertising. That's what we're forecasting here, what the thermometer will say, and you can see the thermometer is saying that it is going to be a hot day out there for tomorrow. Look at your 7-day forecast. They're going to be hot for 7 days to come. Now, we may mix in a little stray shower in Santa Fe, and I'm even saying that by Monday, a little weak disturbance underneath the ridge may even give a quick sprinkle to some parts of the metro area. But my main focus for this forecast, Tim, is not the rain. It is the heat, and it is obviously here to stay.
Yeah, okay.